Hello everyone, and welcome to this first instructional video on ARCHNET NEXT, our newly redesigned platform launched just a few months ago. In this video, I would like to demonstrate location searching on the new ARCHNET. This can be done using the map under Location on the faceted search on the left side of the screen. By panning and zooming this map, we can see exactly what sites are in that particular area. It's important to note that this is only available for sites since publications don't have location information and images are generally associated with the site. It's also important to note that the map and the filters are in a dynamic relationship with one another. So as I focus on more specific things, one or more specific things, the items up here will change. Now, the other important thing to note is that in this area, there are 185 sites. Clearly, not all of them are showing here now. The map only maps the sites that are currently on screen, but as I advance to subsequent pages, the map will also change. Had I chosen to start with style period, the map would have automatically positioned itself where I can find sites from that period. And as I move it, it positions and shows me additional sites. So here we can see these can also be further refined by using the filters below. So if I, for example, choose madrasa, there are now 48 Ottoman sites, approximately 20 of which are on my screen right now. You can expand the map significantly by clicking the icon, and as you will see, it allows you to focus in considerably more detail. You can return your filters by simply clicking here, and the filters will appear once again. The filters and map can be used in conjunction with one another. So if, for example, I wanted to find Muqarnas, these would be the Mamluks madrasas that would have examples of Muqarnas. Similarly, this can be used to narrow your search even more specifically to a city or town. So there you have location searching in ARCHNET. We hope that this is helpful, and we look forward to your responses.